Hey guys, how's it going? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the workspaces in Davinci Resolve. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's go. Okay, so if I can draw your attention down to the bottom here to all of these little windows, what we have is Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Delivery. These windows are basically the steps to producing your video. You'll start off with Media, which is where you import all of your footage and files, and then you'll move over to the Cut. In the Cut section, this is where you'll be cutting together all of your clips to create your footage. Once your videos is cut together, what you're going to do is go over to Edit. Now, generally, I just cut my clips in the Edit section, so you can miss this step. Some of these steps you can miss. But the Edit section, hypothetically, if you finish cutting, is where you add all your music, your text, and all the good stuff. If you want more custom work, e.g. custom titles, then you're going to use Fusion, which is a node-based section where you can create lots of custom things. The next section is Color. This is where you'll color grade your footage. Fairlight is an advanced audio mixer. You can mix a lot of audio here. You get a lot more control in the Fairlight section compared to just using a mixer slider on the side. And last but least is the Delivery. So when it's all wrapped up, ready to go, this is where you export all of your hard work. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll be back with some more videos very soon. See you later.